May buntag. From over 10 years of experience in the industry, I have I have seen, experience og ako adjong napamatud-an unsa kay importante ang network connection. Although most people thought that working from home or kaning natawag na online, you become isolated. Mura na kag ikaw na lang isa jud sa kalibutan ug wala na kailang kastorya. While that is true, it is also important nga to realize and to understand kay importante kaayo nga you build connections. You build a network. And that is very important if you wanted to scale in this industry. More connections means more possible business for you. Pero time sa dili pasabot nga daghang kag friends sa Facebook, daghang kag friends sa Instagram, or daghang kag followers, nga sila tanan are good connections. You have to also make sure that you surround yourself with the right people. Right people with the right mindset. People who wants to grow, people who wants to scale, people who wants to help, people who wants to support other people, o people nga di magdalo of what they have and would always be there willing to help and support other people in the process. Genuine connections. Kay nga no, for the past few years, wala na jud ko ga-apply lang sa mga job sites o asa pa man. Most if not all of my clients are referred by my network. These are old colleagues or mga nakailan ako sa industry o pati ito mga tao who knows me. That is why also importante nga imo ni silang alagaan. Alagaan nimo ni mga tawhanan sa imong palibot. Alagaan nimo that you are also there doing the same thing as they do. Also willing sad ka dapat mo share, willing sad ka mo tabang, willing pod ka mo. Basta give and take man gud dapat. At the same time, while building your connection, imo po dapat ipadayon ang imong nindot nga trabaho. Strive for excellence always para mas ganahan o para mas ma-motivate pa jud nga motabang sa imo ubang tao. Kabulo bitaw mo no, nakarong panahon na hasta bidyong lisura mo refer og person sa imong kliyente o sa trabaho nga kanang kabalo ka nga nangita pud laing tao. Please understand that the risk is higher for the person nga nag-refer nimo. So kung dili nimo hawdon ang imong trabaho og magbinulastog ka, di nimo tarongon, magpetix ka, magbinuang ka, dili lang kay ikaw masira sa kliyente, pero pati ang tao nga nag-refer sa imuha. Dako pa jung chance nga maguba inyong relasyon. Mabitaw nang dili jud sa inyo karong panahon nga moingon lang ka diretso nga hatag client be? Or pwede ko na mo i-refer ra, boss? Ma'am, pwede ka ko ng trabaho, pwede ko nimo pasudlon. As much as, again, I've said this in my previous videos, as much as gusto nako mo refer, labo nagdi ko kaila si muha, labo nagwa ko yung background of what you can do, what you can offer, what you're capable of, pati sa unsa kang klase nga tao, medyo challenging jud siya. That is why invest in network, invest in people that thinks the same way as you do, and people who will push you further para mahimo kang mas better pa na version of yourself. Kato lang. Salamat.